What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to make a ham and potato soup in our crock pot. So, cheers and let's cook. We're going to go into our crock pot with 4 peeled and diced potatoes. There's about 7 cups of potato. And I have 1 large yellow onion diced, 3 cups of diced ham, 2 carrots, just cut into 1/4 inch half moons, 2 stalks of celery, sliced 1/4 inch, a tablespoon of fresh thyme, or you could use 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We'll season that with 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to go in with 4 cups of chicken stock. Now I'm just going to stir all that together. That's all mixed up, and I'm going to cook mine on low for about 8 hours. It takes 7 to 8 hours on low. You could cook it for about 4 to 6 hours on high. Just going to throw my lid on, and now we wait. That cooked for just about 8 hours, and now we're going to thicken it up and make it nice and creamy. So I pulled out about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of the potatoes. Don't worry if you got some other bits of stuff in there. And we're just going to mash that up. Into our potato mash, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of flour. Well, I'm just going to stir all that together real good. That mixture is going to go into our crock pot. I'm going to stir that in and then just let that sit covered on high for another 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it doesn't get much easier than that, and that is one tasty bowl of soup. I like to garnish it with a little parsley. You could even put a little cheddar cheese on top. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.